Yo, good afternoon from Brisbane, Australia. I am Bowie Holiday from the Travel Junkie. Today, I wanna unboxing something not new, back to new, renew my favorite activity, photography, and here, arrive in Brisbane. Fuji X half. Let's unboxing now. Let's do it. Fujifilm. Wow. How to open this one? So handsome. Not move, steady. So small. This is my first Fujifilm camera and my second camera all in my life beside Samsung Galaxy. My first camera is Sony X7. It's long time ago when I'm first blogging, and now I miss photography, so I bring my memories, take a picture, make a street photography with Fujifilm X half. So this one is carbon. It's stripe. And batteries. And this one, stripe hooker. And the last one is, show this last one. Yeah. Ooh, look at this. So handsome. Fujifilm X-Half. It's so small. Look at this. My hand. My hand. My Samsung. My Samsung. To show it. Like this. Boom. So small. So handsome. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, finally, I have a new camera after a long time ago, because my Sony Nex 7 in Jakarta, and you know, I still love it, but I need a new one. Why I take this one, Fujifilm X-Half, because it's small, it's so light for traveling, it's good, just put on your pocket. Not here, it's too small pocket, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, so many options. And I need a light camera to traveling, and not only digital. This is Fujifilm X-Half compact, and it's analog. If I miss film roll camera, but I'm lazy to print the film roll camera, so this market is for me. And you, like me, like love Fujifilm or love film roll, but you lazy to printing the film because more money, spend money. With this one, just collecting and upload to social media, or my blog, travel blog, or my YouTube channel. Yeah, let's try to turn on. Let's try. So I have SD card now. Let's try. SD card. See, so you need the adapter to put it. Something like that. Okay, and I not only the body camera, I order extra batteries and shuttle. DGC Deluxe Soft Release Button. Let's try. I need to connect. See? Shuttle button. Good. So it's turned on. English. Okay. So this is the map where your location, something like that. Oh, it's area setting. Where's Australia? I love Australia. Darwin, Adelaide, Guam, Sydney. Where Australia? Brisbane. Where's Brisbane? Lord Howe Island. Okay, so they don't have Brisbane. They only have Sydney, Darwin, and Adelaide. Melbourne, where's Melbourne too? Melbourne include Adelaide, I think. So I should download the apps. Something like that. Google Play Store. So the apps is for image can be easily transferred to the smartphone. So I should pairing to the Bluetooth. So this is the, I'm just thinking, I think I didn't get the booklet, so I just exploring what they have in here, something like that. I'm just thinking, I didn't get book. It's should be with guidebook tutorial or not, because this is my first time use Fujifilm, so I don't know. I know, but I don't know how to use it, all the filter and everything. Digital camera, recharge battery, lens cap, headphone adapter, hand strap. Ah, yeah, sorry, no guidebook here. Okay. Thank you for watching. So I will try now, because Brisbane sunset now. So see you next time, next video. But it's too small. I want to this one. This one is okay, but this one is too small. Okay. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye. Sayonara. Sampai jumpa lagi. Ciao. Bye.